Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So first we will talk about the update on Titano Finance. First I will read the tweet and after that I will make you understand that what is the meaning of this tweet. So the tweet is buy Titano tokens from our website, and this is the website app.titano.finance. Throw SWYCHDEX and deposit them in play. Our weekly blockchain raffle. This Tuesday, 25 winners will share an estimated $587K. It means if you buy Titanium token from their website through SWYCH DEX, and if you deposit them in play, then you will be eligible for the estimation of $587K. If you come in 25 winner position. Oh, one more other thing, you will be earning about 50% API while waiting. Now this is the great news that you will be earning about 50% API while waiting. Come and play, just click on this link, okay? Let's check another update from Titano Finance. So there is another update from Titano Finance. What they had written: good morning Titans. GM means good morning. We are over 82K strong in terms of Titano, okay? Means 82K family, you can say, or you can say holders, like this, okay? What you want to say, you can say anything. More and more investors see the power of trustless API and the simplicity of auto staking. It's another great day to sit back and collect your rewards. Yes, hatch dex, hatch HODL, hatch BSC gen. Let's talk about another update. What they have written: Titano is so more just than a crypto project. We are building a full ecosystem. Hatch DEX, Hatch HODL, Hatch BSCGM, Hatch Binance Smart Chain. Now we will talk about the current price chart of Titano V2 and we'll see what is the current price chart. Okay, sorry for now. I can't see anything in coin market cap for Titano. As you can see here, it is clearly written market data is untracked. Okay, this project is featured as an untracked listing. But if you see the watch list, then watch list is 43,102 people has kept it in a watch list in coin market cap. So when it will available, I will make a separate video on this. So I'm closing the video here. Also please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching my video on cryptocurrency.